All right, I'm going to show you the two best wireless charging mods for the F150. All right, I'll start with the second best, and then I'll go to the first best. So in my console, open this up here. If you look down in here, this tray is the factory one that comes with the F150, and this tray is a wireless charging tray. Now you can see they both fit just barely in there, but they do fit. They would slide around a little bit. I've got another wire coming up here. We'll talk about that in a minute. But this wireless charging tray, and I'll try to put a link for it in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. But you can see it's got the wireless charging here. It's got another USB up here. Right now I just got my earbuds plugged into that. You can turn it on and off. I leave it on all the time. Of course, it powers down with the power port that's underneath where it's plugged into. But you take my phone and we'll set it on the charger, and oop, there you go. See, it's charging. So if we look down here, yeah, I think you can read that on the screen. It says charging wirelessly. It doesn't say fast charging wirelessly, and I'll show you why here in a minute after I show you the other even better wireless charger. So this one has become my wife's charger. When she gets in the truck with me, we're on a long trip or whatnot, she'll stick her phone in there, so I leave it in there. But since I found this one, I found a better one. So we're going to take that off. We're going to close the console, and this one sits out here. So there's my snacks. I still got room for my snacks back here. So they were hiding this wireless charger. Now this wireless charger, I will include a link in the description below, so check that out. But this is was designed as a little desktop charger, sits at an angle, so it's perfect. But if you look, I guess, yeah, we can see it fits into this F150 slot like it was made for it. I mean, it's not super tight, but it's not going to move around either. So it slides down in there and puts your phone at a great angle. So if you need your phone while you're driving, you can still kind of work it, get your finger in there, work your phone a little bit. But if we look down here now, this one says, I can see it, where's it at? Oh, there it is. If it'll focus, this one says fast charging wirelessly. All right, and again, I'll show you why this one's fast charging and the other one's not. There we go, it's a little bit better focus. So fast charging wirelessly. Now, just as an aside, either charging method, fast charging or just normal wireless charging, will charge the phone. If you're using Google Maps or something on your screen where your screen is continuously on, it won't lose a charge, but it won't gain charge. It'll just stay kind of dead even. So if you need your screen on for like a long trip or something, Google Maps or whatever, what have you, you need to have it fast charging. Fast charging with the screen on will gain charge. Regular charging with the screen off gains charge. Fast charging, of course, with the screen off also gains charge. But if you look, this truck's got the ports up here. Those do not fast charge, not to this wireless either device in any event. They only regular charge. So again, screen on, it's just not going to gain charge, only keep up. So the way that I get it to fast charge, so we'll get in here, we'll pull this out, is I have down in here in this console, there is a 12-volt plug. And in here, I've got all kinds of crap plugged into this thing. I got a 4-port, but the bottom one, if I can get it in the screen, the bottom one is a quick charge. And it's only one of these 4 in this particular charger, or USB charger. Only one is a quick charge. So in that, if I plug in that quick charge port, which this wireless charger is plugged into, then I get the fast charge. That console wireless charger is plugged into one of these other ports that is not a fast charge on this device, or it's not labeled a quick charge. Again, only that bottom part is quick charge on this particular device. So it does not give the fast wireless charging. So keep that in mind. I don't know if all F-150s are built exactly the same with the USB ports up here, and or if you got a I got the USB ports that are way back there. But in any event, they will not fast wirelessly charge. You have to have that quick charge, and there's all kinds of devices like that quick charge. So keep that in mind if you want to plug it in, if you want to get one of these wireless chargers. But this one in the console is sweeter than candy. Like drive down the road all day, got my phone right there. I said I can do some stuff on it if I need to. Of course, I can. Well, of course not. You don't know this, but I am also wirelessly connected to Sync 3 and Android Auto. So that's going to be my next video. I'll give you just a little teaser on that here. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, you'll see this. I think you want to see this. So here's a quick teaser, just 1 second. Okay, here's a teaser. Android Auto wirelessly. All right, so here's my key. I got the old-fashioned key. So I'm going to stick it in the ignition. I'm going to start the truck, and I want you to watch the YouTube timer, see how long this takes. It's pretty cool. So start. All right, so the truck is started. There's a screen. I'm going to show you my phone. My phone is not connected to anything. There it is. It's not connected. Nothing. And there we go. Android Auto's up. So YouTube doesn't like music. They might cancel that. So let me turn it down. So Android Auto was up. You see that took, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. See Google Maps is up. I can hit iHeart, get iHeart Radio to come up. Wait a second. Right down. The YouTube does not gonna like that. Let's see. Android Auto's up. Got everything there. I can do whatever I like. Switch it back to forward. So switch it back to a different source. Anyway, that's not Android Auto, but Android Auto wirelessly. That's the next thing coming up. Like and subscribe. How about this teaser? Little gauges on the phone. Got some coolant temp and some trainee temp and some phone voltage and truck voltage. But watch that bottom left. There's my vacuum boost gauge. I'm cruising about 70 on the interstate. Got a slight bit of vacuum, but let's give it some skinny pedal. Kick in the turbos and watch the turbo boost come up. Yeah! Turbo boost down.